This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Read the entire Cologuard kit instructions before you begin the collection process. Gather the kit components on a clean surface and check the expiration date. Do not collect during menstrual bleeding or within 48 hours after colonoscopy. Wash hands for 20 seconds with soap and water before handling any materials. Open only the items directed by the instructions to avoid contamination and keep the included absorbent pad nearby. Prepare a clean, flat area to set the kit while you complete each step carefully and methodically. Position the disposable collection tray or clean surface as instructed behind the toilet bowl. Pass stool directly onto the tray and use the provided plastic spatula to collect a walnut-sized sample. Avoid urine contact and do not let toilet paper mix with the sample while collecting. Open the specimen tube and transfer the stool into the tube per the directions, using only the included scoop. Tightly secure the tube cap and shake the tube about 10 times to mix the sample with the preservative solution. Immediately wipe any external residue from the tube and write the collection date on the tube label. Place the sealed specimen tube into the biohazard bag and include the absorbent pad before sealing the bag. Insert the bag into the provided prepaid mailer and complete any required paperwork or labels. Mail the sample the same day or within 24 hours of collection to preserve DNA integrity. Whenever possible, mail Monday through Thursday to avoid weekend delays, and keep the sample at room temperature between 59 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit until mailing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.